and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Stitch Fix. It is a clothing subscription service. You get paired up with a stylist, blah blah blah. Bunch of information. Well, there's a playlist. And in the other playlist, if you don't know how Stitch Fix works, I do get into it in other videos. But I do currently have a link to where if you'd like to try Stitch Fix, you would get $50 toward your first fix, plus the styling fee is waived. So let's get into Stitch Fix. You open it up, you do get a baggie with a return shipping label on it. So anything you don't keep, you just throw in the bag and stick back in the mail. It looks like I got a purse and some clothes. Let's see. You also get an invoice. Everything is here. I'll pin a picture up. It tells you what everything costs. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. And I currently have a $49 credit, so we'll get into this. You also get a note from your stylist. I'll pin that up in one of the corners so you can see what she had to say. And let's get into it. First up, we have a Nisa Faux Fur Zip-Up Jacket by Coffee Shop in black and a size small for $88. We also have a Marlena Textured Mini Skirt by French Gray in a burgundy in a size small for $44. And we also have Palermo Stitch Detail Clutch in black for $38 by Moda Luxe. Now, they didn't give me a shirt in this fix, so I am just wearing a jacket and a skirt, so I won't be unzipping the jacket, but I do like this jacket. It's super soft. I bet it's super cozy. I love faux fur. It's one of my favorite materials. This jacket will go in the maybe pile. And then we also have this skirt. It's cute. It's okay. I like the detail in it. I'm not entirely sure if I like it that much. I don't know. It'll go in the maybe pile. And this black clutch. It's cute, but I don't need another black purse. So the purse is a no. Next we have the Lindy knit dress by Waif in Fuchsia in a size small for $88. I really like the way the dress looks in the front. However, I tend to run into this problem a lot where zippers buckle. They either buckle right here or they buckle here, and I can only assume it's because the zipper is made incorrectly or put in incorrectly, because I don't have that issue with all the clothes that I try on, but it's definitely an issue with this dress. You can see how it is puckering up right there, and that would just be something that would make me self-conscious, so this is a no. And next we have a Valerius Scuba knit dress by Calvin Klein Dresses in black and size 4 for $88. I do like the way this dress fits, and from what I remember, that is on the cheaper side as far as Calvin Klein dresses go. Usually they're around $106 and up. I do like the design on this. I do like the way it fits. And as you can see, I mean, there is a little buckling like right here, but not nearly as bad as it was on the other dress. So this is something that I could definitely live with as far as the way it's shaped in the back. This dress will go in the maybe pile. Okay, you guys, so that was my Stitch Fix. There are currently 2 items that I'm seriously considering, and that is this dress and the jacket. Whichever one I end up deciding I keep, or if I keep both of them, I'll put them in little actions in one of the corners. But that's it. I did get a new stylist, but I'm okay with that. I mean, I think that she did a decent job for her first fix with me. Not bad at all. So I think I'll try to keep this one for a little bit. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and have a great day. Bye.